Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this session, I will give some more problems on Laplace transformations. Find L of cos HAT into sin BT. This is the given problem. In this problem, we have to find out Laplace transformation of the given function, which is of the form cos HAT into sin BT. Okay, which is very important problem. Okay, consider the given problem once. Consider L of cos HAT into sin BT is equal to, so cos HAT is known as hyperbolic function. By the definition of hyperbolic function, cos hx can be written as e power x plus e power minus x by 2. According to this formula, given function cos HAT becomes e power AT plus e power minus AT by 2 because we have AT instead of x. That's why replace this value by L of bracket open e power AT plus e power minus AT by 2 into sin BT. Now split the terms. 1 by 2 is the constant term, take outside from the Laplace, of into L of, split the terms, e power AT into sin BT plus e power minus AT into sin BT. Again by using the linear property, separate the terms. So off into, take this Laplace transform to inside. So L of e power AT into sin BT plus L of e power minus AT into sin BT. We are observing that both parts are in the form of e power AT into f of t. Here also the second part is in the form of e power AT into f of t. That's why you should apply first shifting theorem on Laplace transform. Please remember the statement of the first shifting theorem. Whenever the given problem is in the form of e power AT into f of t, immediately we should apply first shifting theorem. Okay. Off into. Okay. According to the Laplace first shifting theorem on Laplace transform, this can becomes L of f of t. What is f of t? Sin BT. In this Laplace transform, you should replace s by s minus a plus here also we are applying first shifting theorem. According to first shifting theorem, it becomes L of sin BT as s tends to s plus a. Close the brackets. Okay. So off into, what is the formula for L of sin BT? B by s square plus b square. In this Laplace transform, we should replace s by s minus a plus, what is L of sin BT again? B by s square plus b square. In this one, we should replace s by s plus a. So off into b by, replace s by s minus a. So you will get s minus a whole square plus b square plus b by, replace s by s plus a, so you will get s plus a whole square plus b square. That's all. This is the conclusion. This is the answer of the given problem. In this way we complete the problem. The next problem is find L of t into e power minus t into cos square t. Okay. So we are observing that here three terms are in product. So t is there, e power minus t exponential term is there, one trigonometric is there in the product. So first let f of t is equal to cos square t. Find out the Laplace transformation. L of f of t is equal to L of cos square t. What is cos square t? by using the trigonometric terms, it becomes 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So 1 by 2 is the constant term, take outside from Laplace and split the terms by using linear property. So you will get L of 1 plus L of cos 2t. Okay, so off into, what is L of 1? 1 by s. What is L of cos 2t? It is in the form of cos at. So we know that L of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square. According to this formula, it becomes s by s square plus 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. We can say this is f of s. Now, first we are finding L of cos square t. Next, you should find out L of t into cos square t. T into cos square t is in the form of t power n into f of t. That is why we know that L of t power into f of t is equal to minus 1 whole power n into d power n by ds power n of the function of s. According to this formula, what is L of t into cos square t? Minus 1 whole power 1, because we have t power 1 instead of t power n. That is why n is equal to 1. Okay. So d by ds of f of s. F of s is nothing but Laplace transformation of cos square t, which is this one. So off into 1 by s plus s by s square plus 4. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 is nothing but minus 1. 1 by 2 is the constant term. Take outside from the derivative. So you will get 1 by 2 and take this derivative to inside. Derivative of 1 by s is minus 1 by s square. Direct formula. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. In the similar way, derivative of 1 by s with respect to s is minus 1 by s square. For the second part, you should apply division rule. Okay. What is the division rule in the derivatives? U by v is equal to, first write the denominator whole square, derivative for the numerator into v minus u into derivative of the denominator. By using this formula, write the derivative of s by s square plus 4, denominator whole square. Okay. Derivative of u, which is s, derivative of s with respect to s is 1 into v minus s is similar term now, derivative for the denominator is 2s plus 0. Derivative of s square is 2s, derivative for 4 is 0, which is a constant term. Now simplify the terms. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by s square plus s square plus 4 whole square, s square plus 4, 1 into s square plus 4 is 1, s square plus 4 minus s into 2s, 2s square. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by s square plus 4 minus s square. Okay, because s square minus 2s square is minus s square by s square plus 4 whole square. Now you can take this is another new function, can be taken as g of s. Okay, first we consider the cos square t as f of t, whose Laplace transformation is this one, which is f of s. Now we are going to find out L of t into cos square t by using this multiplication rule. According to this rule, we are getting L of t cos square t as g of s. Now it is enough to find out L of e power minus t into t cos square t. So it is in the form of e power at into f of t. That's why you should apply first shifting theorem. Okay. So according to first shifting theorem on Laplace transform, L of e power at into f of t is equal to function of s minus a. Originally in the formula we have f of s minus a, but here our function is g of s, that's why replace g of s minus a. Write the given problem here, e power minus t into t cos square t, which is g of s plus 1, because we have e power minus t instead of e power a t, that's why a is equal to minus 1 here. So in this g of s, whenever we have s, replace it by s plus 1. So you will get minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus s plus 1 whole square whole by s plus 1 whole square plus 4 whole square. This is the result of the given problem. Students should practice this type of problems, which are very, very important problems. Please see the next problem. Find L of cos 4t into sin 2t by t. Okay, we are observing that the inside function in the given problem is in the form of f of t by t. That's why you should apply division rule, which is a very, very important formula. Already we know that Laplace transformation of f of t by t is equal to integral s to infinity Laplace transformation of the numerator. This is the division rule. Write the given problem here and compare with the original formula. You will get L of cos 4t into sin 2t by t is equal to integral s to infinity Laplace transformation of the numerator. What is it? Cos 4t into sin 2t into ds. So how can we evaluate L of cos 4t into sin 2t? Whenever two terms are in product, particularly trigonometric terms sin and cos are in product, we can use the trigonometric transformation formula. Okay, for that multiply with 2 and divide with 2 first. Of into integral s to infinity L of 2 cos 4t into sin 2t of ds. So that is equal to of into integral s to infinity. Clearly it is in the form of 2 cos a sin b form. What is the formula for 2 cos a sin b form? 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. According to this formula, split the terms. So you will get of into integral s to infinity sin of a plus b. Sin of what is a here? 4t. What is b here? 2t. 4t plus 2t. You will get 60 minus, subtract the angles now, 4t minus 2t, which is 2t of ds. L of sin 60 minus sin 2t of ds. Don't forget to write the Laplace symbol here. Of into integral s to infinity. What is L of sin 60? 6 by s square plus 36 minus 2 by s square plus 2 square, which is 4 of ds. This is the Laplace transformation. It is enough to simplify the integration now. Of into, clearly it is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx. The formula for this integral is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. According to this formula, 36 can be written as 6 square, 4 can be written as 2 square. So it is in the form of x square plus a square. So 6 already is there in the numerator, right in the outside of the integration. And 1 by a means 1 by 6 into tan inverse of s by a, which is 6. minus 2 is there in the numerator, 1 by 2 into tan inverse of s by a means s by 2 within the limits s to infinity. So half into 6 getting cancelled, 2 getting cancelled. By applying upper limit, you will get tan inverse of infinity minus again you will get tan inverse of infinity. Now replace s by s only. So you will get tan inverse of s by 6 minus of minus plus tan inverse of s by 2. So half into, this is nothing but pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s by 6 plus tan inverse of s by 2. So pi by 2 getting cancelled. The remaining term is 1 by 2 into, first write this term. So you will get tan inverse of s by 2 minus tan inverse of s by 6. This is the conclusion step.